Hello everyone, I'm Himakshi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. You know, these days everybody just keeps asking me for tips and tricks for a glowy makeup, a smooth base, a dewy look. But what we fail to remember is that no matter how many wonders makeup can do to your face, all that matters is what lies underneath. So just like our body needs certain nutrients to stay fit, our skin also needs nutrients to stay healthy. And for that same reason, I thought it would be nice to share with you all my skincare routine, something that I follow on a self-pampering day. Now, these are not the things that I do every single day, but yes, twice or thrice a week. So without any further delay, let's just get started. First step of cleansing, I use the Garnier Micellar Water. It's the oil-infused one, and as you can see, I've finished more than half of the bottle, and this is not my first one because I love this micellar water. It just removes my makeup so easily. Now that we're done with cleansing our face, we would go with the next step of cleansing, which is using a face wash. I think since the past 4-5 years now, I have been using only this particular L'Oréal Paris facial foam. It's a Skin Perfect simple reduction whitening facial foam, and it just cleans my skin so deeply. I feel that it's very light on my skin, but it still makes sure to get all the leftover dirt on my face or the leftover makeup off my face. And it's for it has this age criteria which says 20+, so I think it's really good for us young girls, young women to use it every day. I use it daily in the morning as well as at night, and it just cleanses my face very smoothly, very nicely. I just love how my face feels after I use this face wash. So taking out some of it, and take a little bit of water and apply it on my skin. Just love to massage it properly so that it settles on my skin. So I'm just gonna go wash it now. I'm sure you guys can make out how my face feels so good after using that face wash. All that dirt has finally come off. So the next step would be exfoliating. Now, most people recommend exfoliating your skin at least once a week. But I usually go for twice a week, and I use different exfoliators. So for today I would be using the Body Shop Strawberry Body Polish, which looks like this. The strawberry beads that are there inside really help you scrub all the dead cells off your face very easily. But I would still like you to be very gentle on your skin, because at the end of the day these beads are hard and you might cut yourself. So when I'm scrubbing my face, my main focus is on my nose, because I know that most of the dirt keeps settling on my nose because I have an oily T-zone. It's a scrub, so you need to be very careful while exfoliating, and I just scrub a little more on my nose. I like to leave it on for a little bit, because I feel as soon as the scrub starts to dry out a little bit, and then if you rub it a little bit on your nose, it exfoliates better. So I'm going to leave it for 2-3 minutes and wash it off. You can probably make out the difference that my exfoliator has made on my skin. Before I apply the face pack, I'm going to get my hair into a bun. Before we move on to the face pack, I'm just gonna apply my vitamin C serum. I'm just gonna now I'm gonna use the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Pack, and you're gonna see the effects. Just gonna apply it on an applicator. I got this from Miniso, and take a bump out of it. my face. So before you use any face mask, it's always recommended that you do a little patch test on little part of your skin, where you apply the pack and test if you're allergic to it. So the reason why I'm going over and over again is to make it an even layer. I don't want it to be too thick or too thin in patches over my face, so it has to be as even as possible. Never forget the neck. We all do this mistake and avoid our neck, but it's equally important. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and since it's gonna start drying out now, I'm not gonna be able to move my lips or talk properly, and I recommend all of you to do the same, because if you have a mask on and you're talking, it starts to pull your skin, which will automatically result in you getting wrinkles. So avoid doing that. Don't smile or talk. Now I'm gonna stop talking. I feel it drying out. See you in 10. Step would be using a toner. It's one of my favorites, Kaya Daily Pore Minimizing Toner. It basically focuses on minimizing your open pores, and I just gently pat around my nose because that's the area where I have most number of open pores, and I go around my mouth because of the pigmentation that I have. And now that the toner feels dry on the skin, I'm gonna go in with my hydrating gel. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. Gonna pat. So as you can probably see, my skin is all hydrated and glowy now. I'm all set to start my day. So that is all that I do on a self-pampering day. And I hope you guys find this video useful. And if you do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.